The default username that comes with WISE option is username administrator and the password is 1234. You can set up your personal username and password after logging first time with the default one that comes with the program. And to do that, you go to Data and click on Professional. And that form is going to show you the list of current users set for WISE option. Down here in this option, you can click on Add to add a new user. The sort ID, it's just a short name, so I can say, for example, Art, and business is not required. Professional and field in area are required. So let's say that this is a hospital tech and technician. If you need to improve these two lists, just click on the label link and you will be able to add new items to the drop-down list box. It is also required to have an email address, as well as a phone number for text messages. Show calendar is optional, is active, it's required. Now on this side, you're going to determine if the user has allowance for discounts. If you want the user to be able to change prices on the fly, make sure you set discounts allowed and any discount. Otherwise, they will have to respect the price table set in the products. Save. And as soon as you have the user saved in the account, it should bring to you all the options for that user. Now Art is here in my list. And the next step that I have to do is to grant access. If you want to give permission, I'm going to say yes. If that user should have privileges as administrator. If you are the administrator, say yes, otherwise say no. So now the user has all the privileges except, which means that you can also highlight one more time and reset the password. Now that user has the password set to 1234. Once we have that done, the next step is going to be to switch users, log in with that username and password, and as soon as you log in with that user, click on this button here to switch users. Use that username and password so you make sure that the new user can log in, and after you log in under that username, goes to Tools and set new password to change the default 1234 to the custom and protected password for that new user. And this is how you enter a new user and set up new password for the username. Thanks for watching.